this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. Today, just a little talking chat. I know it was a chat last week, but I've had one or two over on Facebook asking me regarding the dress form that I made last week. I got it from Bootstrap Fashion, and I'll try and put a link below, but I'm not very good computer minded, so I might not succeed at it, but I'll try. There's different things that they offer, but the one that I went for, you put in all your various sizes, your waist, hip, bust measurement, the whole lot, and they send you a PDF pattern. You might be able to see she's same height as me, because I put mine on top of the body form that I'd already got. It was too small for me. It used to be the right size, but it was too small for me now. I put on weight, and so I put it over the top of that. So all I did was get up to the stage of just putting it together like it was a top. I did put this neckband on, but I left the armholes, if you can see this, I left the armholes open. I then got the form, the dress form that I'd already got on this stand, and just basically put it on as though it was a top I was trying on. Because I'd left the neck open, I was able to adjust it round and put some padding at the top. Because I'd left the arms open and not covered them, yeah, I could get in the armhole to stuff the boobs. I haven't yet sewn down because I'm leaving these open, because if I put more weight I might need to put a bit more stuff in there, so I'm leaving them open, and it doesn't affect it how it is, because that's the styrofoam of the body form underneath it. Once I'd stuffed the top area, I moved on to the bottom area. I pulled it back up, and then I got thin foam. It's about 1/4 of an inch thick, so I pulled the top up, let's take all these pins out and show you. Right, once I'd stuffed the top bit, and I kept checking size wise, it's a little bit bigger than me at the moment, so I'm not too bothered about it. It's not much at all. But once I'd stuffed this top bit, I pulled up the bottom of the dress form, and it's very awkward to do. I pulled this bottom bit back, and there's the foam that I pushed in to take it, well, I pulled it up higher, put the foam around it, and then put the dress form back over the top of it. When I was making it, I stitched in, you won't make this out but I can see it, I stitched in a line where your under bust measurement is, where your bust measurement is, your waist and your hip. Now the form that's underneath here only just goes to below my hip line, but that's alright. So instead of having this hanging, which I could do, I'd just take it round the back and put pins in it, and that attaches it to the styrofoam. It was very easy to do, and it's already been helpful to me, and it's not quite a week since I made this. And so yes, it's a lot better. And I was worried about making it because of it showing actually how big I've got, but it actually helped to show me that I'm not as big as I thought I was. The only thing is, although it's not really a flesh colour, and it is velvet upholstery material, it's like having a naked you in the corner of the room. So I have to keep making things to cover her up. I would recommend one of these. If you've got a dress form already that is too small, this is an ideal thing to do, to put it over the top of it and pad it out, because the foam bits that I used, I'd got them around, I don't know what for, but I got them around. The wadding I used to stuff the bust, that was off quilts that I made. So, and this was the material from one of the remnant packs I get. So the cost was extremely small. If on the other hand you've got nothing, you've got to go out and buy either a few pillows to take the stuffing and so you can stuff it completely, and buying the material and buying a coat stand or the piping or anything, the cost would go up. But to adjust a dress form that you've already got and make it so it actually can be used to help you, yeah, it's very good indeed. I could get in and stuff the boobs. It's so funny. This sell to your own boob. Thank you. Bye.